going to study the isomerism. Now, molecular structure. We are going to study the isomerism today. Now, molecular structure of organic compounds, plays an important role in study of the organic chemistry. And there are a number of examples where you can observe that a single molecular formula can represent two or more than two compounds having different chemical properties. Now, if I give the example, for example, if we take case of ethyl alcohol, this one, ethyl alcohol, molecule formula is C2H6O. This is the C2H6O. Now, if we take this formula, this is the ethyl alcohol, and again, having the same formula, this compound C2H6O. This is methoxymethane. This is ether, and this is alcohol. I am explaining you the example. I have told you that a single molecule formula we can observe that a single molecule formula can represent two or more than two compounds. So I have given the example, for example, ethyl alcohol and ether, this methoxymethane, we say dimethyl ether. If we take the properties of this, having the same molecular formula, but the properties, if we see, this ethyl alcohol, it's a liquid, while this methoxymethane, it is gas. अगर इसका इथाइल अल्कोहल का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट हम लेंगे, इट इज बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, जो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट है इथाइल अल्कोहल का, दैट इज 351 केल्विन, while that of methoxymethane it is 249 केल्विन. अगर हम इसका लेंगे इथाइल अल्कोहल का, it reacts with iodine and forms ethyl iodide with iodine. अगर हम इसको रिएक्शन आयोडीन के साथ करेंगे, इट फॉर्म्स इथाइल आयोडाइड. while अगर इसको हम करेंगे methoxymethane को, it forms methyl iodide. This forms ethyl iodide, this forms methyl iodide. Or if we this ethyl alcohol reacts with sodium, सोडियम के साथ react जो होती है, reacts with sodium, reacts with sodium vigorously, and this does not react. It does not react. So that I mean to say that these compounds, these two compounds, that is ethyl alcohol and methoxymethane, they have the same molecular formula, but they are two different compounds. They differ in their properties. Now the organic compounds having same molecular formula but different properties are known as isomers. Those compounds are known as isomers. So what is isomerism? So the compounds having same molecular formula, the compounds having same molecular formula, as you have seen, having same molecular formula, but different physical and chemical properties. Physical and chemical properties. Are called isomers. उनको हम isomers बोलते हैं. जैसे अब मैंने मिसाल दी, ethyl alcohol और methoxymethane, they are isomers. So, and the existence of two or more compounds having same molecular formula, but different properties, but differing in properties, is known as isomerism. So isomerism is the phenomena of existence of two or more compounds having same molecular formula but differing in the properties is known as isomerism. This isomerism word, this was given by Berzelius. This isomerism concept or isomerism, iso means same, meros means parts, this was given by the Berzelius. Isomerism, if we see, it is of two types. I can explain isomerism is of two types. Now, isomerism is of two types. First, isomerism is of two types. First is structural isomerism. Structural isomerism. Second is stereo. Now, structural isomerism, this isomerism, it arises due to difference in the manner in which atoms or groups are linked in the molecule, or we say it is due to the difference in the manner of arrangement of atoms or group of atoms in the molecule, or we can say structural formula different होती है. Structural formula differs. I will explain it again. Structural isomerism. First, this isomerism arises due to difference in the manner in which atoms or groups are linked in the molecule. और structural formula differ होती है. Molecule formula same, but structural formula differs. So this is known as structural isomerism. And you must remember, here there is no reference of space. Without reference, no reference of space. Now here, stereoisomerism, this is difference in the spatial arrangement of atoms. Spatial, S-P-A-T-I-L, spatial. That is arrangement of atoms or groups in the space. That is stereoisomerism. So this is structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Now, structural isomerism we can explain is of different types. Now, first, chain isomerism. Number second, position isomerism. Number third, ring chain isomerism. Number fourth, functional isomerism. Number fifth, metamerism. Number six, tautomerism. These are the types of structural isomerism. Number first, chain isomerism. Number second, position isomerism. Number fourth, 3, ring isomerism, ring chain isomerism, functional isomerism, metamerism, and tautomerism.